Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you a quick overview of how I store my Pandora collection, as well as an overview of my Pandora bracelets. Some are completed and some are not. So this video was recommended by a really nice follower of mine, which is named Sveahedda, if I'm not mistaken. So thank you, and I hope you will enjoy this video. So first of all, I have to tell you that this box is not the one that I want for my final storage collection. This one is a plastic box. As you can see, it was very cheap, and like on the inside you don't have any velvety compartments, which is not that safe for your jewelry. This box is supposed to be a craft supply box. It was really cheap, and my dream is to have a stackers box, which is definitely on my wish list. Maybe I'll get it for my birthday. So when you open it, you have two main compartments, and here is where I store my bracelet and my charms. I'm going to go into detail later. And in this compartment I store like my care kit and some empty boxes. So as you can see, I have a few bracelets that are already designed, and here on the side I have some charms that are left over for the moment. They don't have any home right now. And in this Ziploc bag I have some silicone stuff here that are useful for putting clips on your bracelet without them falling off if it's a bracelet that's not snake chain. And here I have a Stackers bar charm. I finally invested in the bar charm. And this is really practical, and I want to design my bracelet and I don't want to screw and unscrew all the charms from the bracelet. And also it's practical when I want to display some charms for my future videos. So really nice. In the second big compartment I have a few boxes, and this is where I store my bracelets that are unused for the moment. I have those two inside it. And this pouch comes in the care kit that I'm going to present you right now. I got this kit because I didn't have any way to open my clips and bracelets, and I didn't want to damage them. And also this brush is really nice because the bristles are really soft, so when you clean them you don't have to worry about damaging your bracelets. Also, I heard that if you don't have the clip opener, you can use a guitar pick. Also, the kit comes with an instruction manual on how to take care of all your different jewelry. And inside the care kit you will be given some tissue to clean your bracelet. So this is for silver, and this is for rose gold, if I'm not mistaken. And this pouch is to store your rose gold jewelry. So as you may know, you have to store your bracelets in airtight pouches, just so it's not getting tarnished. Those three boxes I keep because I think they're really pretty. They're like from the Disney exclusive charms, and I love to collect them, as you know. And in this box I have my ring collection. So I used to store them in a big box, but I don't really have enough space in this one. So I'm just going to open it for you. And this is how I store my rings. It's not recommended. I don't recommend you putting them like that. It's not nice for your rings, but I have to be patient and wait from someone to buy me a new jewelry box for my birthday. Also, don't forget to keep your receipts at all times. I keep mine in a Halloween little decoration, so you will have a guarantee of 2 years. So if anything happens, you can get them a return or exchange at the Pandora store. So keep your receipt wisely, guys. And now I'm going to give you a quick look on all my Pandora bracelets that I wear like almost every day actually. And the first one is this one, which is mini themed for the moment. It's a bangle, you know, from the free bangle promotion last year. On the center I have my mini dangle, and those are the Radiant Heart charms, and this one is from the Belle collection. Then I have one of my favorite bracelets, which is my Duffy and Friends bracelet, and this is on a mini head bracelet. I have those two clips here, and I keep it really simple because there's not much that are released for the moment, but I have this pink charm with a gelatoni charm that match really perfectly in size and style. I have Duffy and Shelly May right here, as well as Stella Lou, and I'm eagerly waiting to buy Cookie charm because it's amazing and it will complete this cute bracelet. Here is a bracelet that is not finished yet. Obviously it's a Disney princesses theme bracelet, and this is how it looks at the moment. I tried to make it symmetrical, but it needs all the other princess dresses and colors. Then I have my updated personality bracelet. It has a safety chain and a rose gold touch, and it's pink themed. And last but not least, my favorite bracelet of all time, which is my Disney themed bracelet. I have a picture on Instagram, so if you want to see all my designs in detail, feel free to ask me on Instagram. I love the colors. It's really beautiful. It's my favorite, really. It's a bit heavy though, but really cute. So here you go, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want me to make a video on a particular bracelet, feel free to ask me. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye, take care.